Welcome back to the channel. It's hot out here in Bangkok, Thailand, but guess what? We are at the tallest building in the city, and we're gonna tell you all about the hotel situated in this building called The Standard. Stay tuned to Mr. Black Adventures coming up next. Full review of what the benefits are of staying here and how it can get you to the top for free. So what's it gonna cost you to stay in a place like this? Well, you're looking at about $200 a night on average. After taxes, you're gonna come out here at about $500. We actually booked through American Express, which allowed us to get free breakfast and a free room upgrade. And that works out. Oh, and the $100 credit. Can't beat that. So ultimately, I'm paying $400 for 2 nights. But because American Express just changed their new credit card system, I'm gonna get 300 of that for free.
As you should expect from a Hyatt brand featuring 155 rooms and 5 restaurants, they are definitely worth checking out. Right now, you're looking at the parlor, which is an option if you just want to grab and go. There's some breakfast options here. These are the prices. Just the quick eats if you're just checking out early in the morning and you don't have time for the buffet. But if you do, head downstairs where the double standard is generally at, and you can grab your choice of buffet items from fruits to yogurts to vegetables and a few small meat items. But the benefit of this one is you actually get to choose from an a la carte menu, which is unlimited. So you can couple this with a la carte options, and it's definitely pretty good. I personally didn't think the buffet piece of it was, anything. It was no real thrills there. Pretty basic stuff here. But from the a la carte side of the house, there's definitely some options on there that makes this whole thing worthwhile. For 890 baht, which is about $25, I think it's worth it. I personally do think it's worth it. And we did get a chance to enjoy this twice. Hey, so basically, if you get the breakfast package, you can essentially order anything off of this menu, which I'll show you. Or you can have anything from the buffet. It's up to you. So there's a few items out here that do cost, but for the most part, you can order whatever you want. Like, there's no limit. So as you can see, they've got everything from pancakes to, well, that's the buffet option. There's some Mexican dishes on there. There's some eggs Benedicts on there. If you're interested in the fried omelets, they've got it all. And all this is 100% included with your order. So for evening, we decided to check out the double standard because, like I said, these 5 restaurants are some really pricey restaurants. Let me tell you, this one's actually one of the more affordable ones, which I can get with. But the ones upstairs, they're in the hundreds. So just FYI, check it out around 5 to 8 p.m. It's buy one, get one. And you can enjoy a cocktail with your meal, which was good too. So this is the main room. I don't even know what room we're in anymore. We got upgraded from a deluxe to this. So I'm actually not really sure which room type this is anymore. But look for the one in the picture with a couch and a full-on minibar. What's up, Bubs? What you doing? Huh? You taking up my bed? Okay, cool. And you got your view, a little closet. So you've got the full-on shower in here. You know what time it is? Hey, babe, you know what time it is? It's time to check and see if they got spray. Oh, they do. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Now that's a toilet. But this is the pool area. The good news is there's something spinning in there. Oh, the Jose Cuervo. Oh, those drinks are delicious. They're frozen ices. Mm-hmm. Sweeping views of the city. It's not a rush for the pool, so easy to get in here, get a seat, enjoy the fresh air out here in Bangkok, if you call it that. But yeah, this is pretty spacious. I mean, I like the day beds in the water. Plenty of room. You got your little cabanas back here. So yeah,
And I don't know if this is a jacuzzi or whatnot, but I think it's something for the kids.
Another place this hotel really shines is in the gym. We came down here about 9 o'clock and it was like, not too bad.
These are actually some pretty nice bikes. Look at this stuff. We got all types of stuff going on here. I'm not a biking expert, but if I wanted to ride a bike, I'd probably ride that one.
If you're looking for a view of the city, this gym offers that as an option as well. It was a cloudy day, so that's why some of the videos are a little hazy here, but this is rainy season in Bangkok, so it is to be expected. Also keep in mind, they've got Peloton, so if you got an account, bring it. There's tons of options, anything you can imagine. I thought the space was huge, and this is easily one of the best gyms I've ever been in for a hotel, and it was just very well equipped with new equipment. A very good experience.
Alright, we're here.
Yeah, welcome to high speed in Macau. We got to 35th floor within 30 seconds. Please enjoy the video.
If Mahanakan was your goal, upon check-in, you will receive tickets for your party, whoever's checked into the hotel, to go to the rooftop and enjoy this at nighttime. That's the only catch. It's from 7 to 11 p.m. But it's the same experience with a couple of exceptions. You don't really get to do some of the other activities they have during the day. But if you just wanted to see the rooftop, this elevator is supposed to get you there, and I think he said about 15 seconds. And it's all illuminated with stuff. It's pretty cool. It reminds me of some stuff that we've seen in Dubai, but definitely worth the experience. And this is another benefit of checking in this hotel. Another savings on top of savings, because they really laid it all out for us. I was very impressed. After a few circles around the building and 20 elevators later, we actually do reach the top. Mind you, one of the other restaurants is up here, and it's extremely expensive, but it's another place you can actually dine. It's a award-winning restaurant as well. If you haven't been up here during the daytime, I recommend checking it out during the daytime as well. Two different experiences. We've actually never seen it at nighttime, but this was our first time doing this, and it was pretty cool. They've got all the tables out there for you to kind of lounge out, have some cocktails. Granted, these cocktails are also buy one, get one. So something to think about. Definitely worth checking out during your next day here at the Standard. I think our daughter enjoyed it a lot, so we'll definitely do it again.
So that kind of wraps up the video here. If you have any questions about this hotel or any other hotel, and if you haven't seen our review of the Hilton Millennium, which was another great hotel to check out and consider if you're in Bangkok, Thailand, take a look. I'll put the link up here. But my opinion is, hey, dude, it's a super modern, super posh. It's definitely got the young-minded at heart here. It's not an old people hotel at all. It's a a bustling kid who wants to have some fun while he's on vacation. That's what you want. This is definitely a hotel for you. I totally dig it. We would definitely come back here, and the convenience of being able to go up to the Sky Bar and enjoy that experience, 100% worth it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, why don't you just give me a like? Till next time, Mr. Black Adventures. Talk to you later.